Hey everybody, it's me, GeoSlave53, here for another running tux. I know it's been a while since I've done another video. Been busy doing a lot of study, looking into getting my Linux certification, doing what I can, and hopefully next month when I take the certification I will pass and then use that certification to get into a better job, and a job that I like, working on Linux computers and servers. So today I'm doing a video on a really unique application. It is called Popcorn Time. Some of you probably have heard it. There were a few videos out there talking about it. It's basically a BitTorrent front-end video players. So basically what they do is they stream the video. They don't download it, they stream it. Now, is it legal? I don't know. It's in the gray area. I looked at a few websites and all, and it's kind of hard to figure out what they're seeing as legal or not legal. But for now, I haven't seen any issues. It's available for Linux desktops, Mac OS X, and Windows computers, but it's also available on Android. No Apple iPhones or tablets or their iPads, available. Not yet, but it might come soon. But for now, as you can see, it's a very interesting interface. You basically have the title of what the movie poster title, and if you click onto it, you'll see the information, the IMDb page info. It basically collects that information, puts it on the screen. You do have the ability for subtitles. Some movies have and some don't. On the top right hand side, it doesn't have the magnet link, which you can get the links and download it if you want to. I don't know why they would do that, but it also tells you the health of it. Is it very strong? If it's not strong enough, the seed, the peers, what the ratio, and all that information. If you want all that information is right there, so you know if it's going to be a good connection or not. On the bottom, you have where you can add to your bookmarks if it's something you want to see a lot, and mark it if you saw it or not. So this way you say, oh, I already saw that, I'm not going to watch it. Now, the cool thing about it is they give you the ability, when you hit watch now, they do have their own video player right there automatically, but it will detect other video players that you may have compatible, like MPlayer and VLC. So if you can't play on Popcorn Time video player, you can play it on VLC, and VLC will play anything, so it doesn't matter. There's also some movies and some TV shows and other stuff. They may have a trailer. They have it available right there next to it if you want to watch the trailer, if not the movie, so you're not wasting your time. Also here, it will tell you the resolution. You want to watch in 1080p or 720p. This is a big difference if how much data, and it tells you 720p, it's 1 gig of data to download for the whole movie that it's going to stream. Or, I don't know if it's really downloading, it's really streaming. For 1080p, 2.26 gigs. That's a lot. So if you're that person who have a MiFi or a limited amount of data, or other countries around the world where they cap the amount of data, this could be very helpful. And then you have the X and move it out. Now, they do give you in 3 different categories: movies, TV series, and then animes. I don't know. Some people fixated with animated shows out there. I don't know. I never did. The only show really I liked was Battletech and Thundercats. Those were animes, to Japanese animation. Anyways, they also give the ability to change the genre what type of movie types or TV shows. Also sorted by popularity, or last added year, rating, title. Different areas of sections. Plus, they also give you the ability to search. If you click on there, you can search for a movie, type it in. Now, they don't have every single movie. They're only going to search for a certain type. So, what's Dirty Harry? So if I type Dirty Harry, oh, they do have Dirty Harry. No, I'm surprised. There were some movies I typed in there and they were very popular and they couldn't find it, but I thought that was kind of weird. You also have the ability to connect through a VPN. If you're in that country that it may be illegal to do this, you can use Popcorn Time's VPN settings themselves to log into it and get access to it. So, or your own VPN settings itself. You could put in for a watch list if there's a specific movie or TV you're looking for. It'll keep an eye for you. You just click in there. But you have to have Track TV account to actually do that. So I don't have it set up that way. You have your favorites listed here, which is kind of cool. I like that. Let me click back in here. You do have your torrent collection. If you do have local torrents that you're already using right now, you can find it in there. And then you have your about information about Popcorn Time itself. And then you have your settings, which basically are just basic stuff: user interface, subtitles, the user interface for the languages, and the theming, what type of color, type of colors you want. Right now it's by default set to dark. You could do the flat look. It's not that bad. Black and yellow. Black and yellow is actually not that bad. Actually, I'm going to leave it there. Subtitles, if you want to see it or not. So if it's in a different language or English is not your language, you want to read it, that's where you go. Playback. Play next episode automatically if you're watching a TV series. Here it is. The tracked.tv. You put in your account right in here. And then also your VPN. Hide your VPN from the filter bar. It's down here. Where is it up here? Top or the bottom, I'm not sure, one of the two. There's also the advanced settings, so if you need to see more stuff in here, they give you the ability to view which part in here, the type of advanced functionalities, watch items, start screen, where you want to start it here with the subtitles, more information here, the quality, you wanted all of them or just one or the other, playback, and also remote control if you want remote control functionality using SSH in there. I believe SSH, but it does have the IP address, so that's got to be that. Connection. Well, I'm guessing probably for network capability. I don't know. That one I'm not really sure what that is for. Directory, catch directory, that kind of makes sense if you want to change it. And also the database information. I'm guessing if you want any of your torrents stored or whatever, I think that's what that is right there. And then you have, when opening the TV series, detail jump to the next series. And then you have other functionalities: flush your bookmark, database, flush your subtitles, flush your reset to default. So I'm guessing so you don't get in trouble if they try to get into your computer. I don't know. I'm just saying. It isn't that bad. I like it. I have a friend of mine that put it on his Android tablet, and then we mirrored it off to watch some movies on his TV, and we were able to watch a couple of movies, and it wasn't that bad actually. the mirroring worked out really nice. But it's really good for those who have, you know, computers out there on TV. You want to watch it on your TV from your computer and you hook it up through the HDMI that way, or if you have just a regular nice big screen computer, you want to watch movie, TV series from there. It's not a bad idea. And let me show real quick. I have it on here on my phone. All right. There you go. So, there you go. Popcorn time on my Android phone. Has just movies and TV shows. Just those two. Those are the only two that they have of no anime. It has a few other functions and all that, so I can watch it on my phone itself. But mainly available on, like I said, Linux, Mac, and Windows. Only on Android on the mobile phone. Might be on the iPhone soon. Who knows? But we'll see. But it's free. Easy to use. It streams it, and I'm guessing that's the reason why, because it's streaming, not downloading. Even though you have the ability to download it if you wanted to. I don't know. It's in the gray area. Use it for, you know, it's up to you if you want to use it or not. It's up to your own risk. I don't think there's anything else bad. I haven't seen anything out there that is making it wrong right now. So, hope you like it. To install it, if you're on Arch, if you're on Debian or Ubuntu, they have a deb file that you can download straight from their website. But if you're on Arch, it's available in the AUR user, the Arch user repository. Let's see, popcorn time. They have several different files available. There's the regular one, the bin, and the Git. I recommend the Git version. For some reason, the regular popcorn one, and the bin, I had some problems when I installed those two versions. The Git version is always the latest and greatest, up to date. It seems to work really well. I haven't had any issues on it yet. It's a pretty long file. It might take a while to install, especially these two. The Git doesn't. These two do. So I recommend getting the Git version. But if you have a Debian or Ubuntu, download the Debian version. It's simple. It's easy. Not sure with Fedora or OpenSUSE for the Yum version. Haven't checked theirs out. It might be available, but Arch, I know definitely Ubuntu base or Debian base, it's available. So check it out, install it. Tell me what you guys think. Going to be popping out some more videos out there for sure. Some other few other apps, how-tos. I'm going to be doing some how-tos on lamp stacks, how to set up lamp stacks and how to use with web designs if you're doing WordPress or Joomla or PHP, BB, and some of the other web applications. Give you some tips and tricks on how to use that. Also, I was thinking of doing a how to show the basic command functions for Linux, or should I say Unix-based systems. So if you want to learn the basics, I'm already going through the certification. I know most of the stuff. It's good to go review over again and again, but I know the basics. I like to help those who are starting out learning Linux or using the Unix type-based systems. It's pretty much the same for those who have Mac. So if you use Mac, it's pretty much the same on Linux or BSD or Solaris. So looking into doing those type of videos. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave comments down below. Give me a thumbs up too, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care and peace. See ya.